laws of nature, invisible forces known as cycles. It is these cycles that we will never be able to find out what causes them or where they come from, but it is these cycles that literally predetermine the price levels of stocks, Forex, traded day in and day out. This can be convincingly proved using forecasting methods. By studying the methods, you should be able to make forecasts for the future with a high degree of reliability, at least in relation to the turning days when major changes in the market will almost certainly occur. You may not know the direction of this turn in advance, but you will be able to predict when you get to this point in time that there will be a major change in significance in the market, and you will be able to take advantage of this opportunity. The mathematical approach, in particular, in the use of geometry and other mathematical formulas that we get from physics, defines emotions much more precisely and can be transmitted to any person in a very objective way. There is a connection between subconscious emotions and the movement of prices from day to day. If we track daily price movements and apply mathematical models to them, we can identify the main currents from greed to fear and back to greed, thereby determining the time of highs and lows in the market. The price level tells us something about its own internal cycle. This is the main secret key to the market. That is, if the price rises to $90 and reaches a maximum, and then falls, we can say that the price of $90 is more than a simple price, since the price also has a complex relationship with the time cycle. And so, let's get to work. I mentioned that we learned about geometric angles earlier. But it didn't need a large, scale schedule. Now, for this geometric construction, you need the scale of the graph. One of the scaling methods is a circle. We take a circle with the name ellipse, and click the right button, and go to the property. Check the box on, fix the scale. Next, we change the graph up before the ellipse turns into a circle. This method is done only on the MT4 platform. It is also more accurate for stocks and Forex. There is another way to scale, but this method is suitable only in the Forex market. This is especially for students who have completed this video course. And so, there is several ways to construct geometry such as circle, square, and triangle. I will show one of them for an example. We take any movement, draw a degree line only from bottom to top, in any rising or falling trend. This movement is 86 degrees. Half will be 43 degrees. The second line is set to 43 degrees. We put a horizontal line on the top, and where there is an intersection with the line, we put a vertical line. This line will show a possible trend reversal when the price reaches it. The following example is 81.7 degrees. Half will be about 40.8. We do the same method for all trend movements. There are several more shapes that can be made manually. And for can be done automatically, there is a program for building. So that the construction of angles does not take much time for the rest of the geometric angles, you can use the program. It is more convenient and there are several options for determining the U-turn.